So I'm still at the Ajuda National Palace in Lisbon, and I'm stood in front of a quite remarkable piece which has got a fantastic surprise to it, which we're going to come to later. This is from Northern India, probably made for the Portuguese market. There's 4, maybe 5 that are known in Portugal. There's only 2 that have got the special feature that this one has. Now you're also probably wondering what it is. Don't worry, we're going to come to that. It's so important that I'm not trusted after handling the chair before to show you how it works. But I'm quite happy with that because it means I can stand back and just admire what a fantastic piece it is. So, ladies, please, could you help? So we can see there's a catch down here which locks it, and we can see the strap work on it. And here we go, opening out, and we have got a games table. So we can see all of the legs, we can see a drawer to put your gaming pieces. We've got this wonderful inlaid games board to the top, ivory on rosewood, probably made to be used on the floor to sit down on the floor to play. So a games table, a chessboard. Now, you're going to be wondering what the secret is. Well, if you just step back a little bit, and again, I'm not trusted to be, oh, I am trusted this time. So, what we're going to do is open the drawer. Ba-bam! Fantastic. Now, you can probably see on the top of her left hand, there's a little hole there. She would have been holding something. What exactly she was holding, we don't know. My theory, and it's only a theory, is that there might have been a tray. The other example, which has got the pop-up figure, does have a tray, but it's a replacement tray. And to me, it feels like the tray perhaps was for putting your betting money on, and then whoever won the game took the money. So you probably want to see this very good looking ivory lady pop up again and down. So she's gone, she's back. And another thing about this, I mean, if this couldn't get any better, originally, when you pulled the drawer out, music played. Now that's not working anymore, sadly. But just what a fantastic surprise. So, Northern India, probably made for the Portuguese market because a few are known in Portugal. From the late 16th century, and just fantastic. You know we love things which have got a surprise. We love a secret drawer here, a secret compartment there, and a beautiful lady that pops up with the money, perhaps, from the wager of your game. Just fantastic. And in a fantastic museum as well. If you get the chance to visit, if you're in Lisbon, you must put this on your itinerary, because there are wonderful things here.